In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make the perfect homemade condensed milk. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't miss any step. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you the secret to a smooth condensed milk, okay? So I'm using liquid full cream peak milk for this video, okay? You can as well make use of powdered milk, but for this video, I'll be making use of liquid milk. I start by adding my milk into the frying pan. Then go ahead and add your sugar. Stir it up until the sugar dissolves in the liquid milk. This can take about 10 to 15 minutes. You just have to be patient about it, okay? As you can see, the sugar has finally dissolved. So the next step is to place it on a heat, okay? Please make sure that the fire is on a medium heat to prevent it from burning, okay? After about 30 to 35 minutes, the mixture has reduced and also you can see that it has thickened. So I'm just going ahead of the heat because it thickens as it cools. Go ahead and sieve your condensed milk as seen. Please, it is always important to sieve your condensed milk so that there will not be any lumps inside your milk, okay? If you want me to make a video on how you can use powdered milk to make this condensed milk, let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do that, okay? If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe and be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all for the love and support. I really do appreciate. So my wonderful people, our condensed milk is ready. You can actually use this condensed milk for your tea and for your baking. Don't worry about the foams or bubbles. It is going to go away once this milk cools down. So for you to get a smooth condensed milk, always make sure you sieve it. That is just the secret to it. Bye for now and I will see you on my next video.